Okay, back from the pool. I didn't even know today's a different day, you know. Welcome back. If not, if you're new here, yeah, wake up yourself. All about goodie. Yeah. So today was a pool day. I did get up early. I am going to I'm starting back my swimming. Thank God. So I start back my swim 4 times a week. That's my workout. I mean, I look on my skin, just I look on my body in the mirror. I need to tighten up some areas. So I'm going to do the swimming and I'm going to do my workout as well. Starting slow with my workout though. But now that I'm home and everything, I'm still not eating nothing because, you know, once me and go and sleep, we're going to start working on some editing again for the week because we have 4 videos to edit. I don't know if I can get all 4 of them done today, but I'm going to try to speed it up because I need to have my daily editing going. And then I can set up my morning routine for the next few videos as well. So let's get into that. Plus, I have to dry my hair again, you know, the usual. Like, I know I'm supposed to use blow dry on it all the time, but I can't not dry my hair. It's winter, so I'm gonna have no other choices. I pick my poison and I'm gonna just have to definitely make this work, you know, work with my arm. So I'm gonna just blow dry it and call it a day. I feel like I haven't. Okay, if you're new here, welcome back. If you're an oldie but goodie, big up yourself. I felt like I haven't picked up I've been posting other stuff. I've been recording sit downs, but I haven't picked up the camera in a while. Today I did just finish swimming. I come swim for 10:30, 11:30, and then I was in there talking to this other lady about, like, you know, the election stuff. So I was like talking to her about that, and I'm like, oh shoot, it's 12:19. A time for me to go and yeah, time for me to go do a sit down video. So mega see if I can run a little sit down video real quick before I go home, because then I have to go for them and come back at the pool. So I'm gonna angle that. I'm gonna do that. But just gonna let down my hair, change my shirt to a long sleeve black shirt. I'm gonna sit down in a little spot. I'm gonna talk to the camera, and that's gonna be it for the night. And then later on, I have a live to do at 8 o'clock. So I have to go be prepared for that too. I might get that total way, man. I can deal with it. I'm good. Alright. Okay, so I am at the spot, but there's like a, I don't know, a questionable character here. So I don't know if I'm gonna go sit down and record, because him just look like him. I don't know. Him just look questionable. Just by the movements and some of the things we might do, I don't really know if I forgot go sit down there. So I'm putting in my earrings though. Come I get ready for go there. So my earrings, my ring. I'm wondering if I should let my hair out. Okay, so I'm walk on that way there. So alright, so maybe I do not know maybe sitting record. But I should have brought my tripod, because I feel like make a record with my phone. I don't know, something that tells myself I just record with my phone instead of my GoPro today. So the phone it is. Let's do the phone. And I'm gonna need to bring a piece of bounty or a plastic bag. Yeah, the plastic bag I sit up on. Cause the bench out there kinda dusty. So And you already know I can't just rest this down anywhere because it's wet. It's just sitting on my car, so I can't even see myself properly. So I don't even know what I look like. Oh, that's what this is for. So let's see. My hair is clearly wet. So my lot made me retwist my hair, and it was just for the day, cause I didn't know that already. I know it did I pull out. So let me see if this can stay. So and I'm gonna have the moisturizer for my face. So damn, I have things in there. I can't find my moisturizer. It's like a sunscreen moisturizer. Honestly, I don't know if that's something really good for my face now, cause I guess I need it. Let's come out of the pool. Sweater me, please. I'm in a business for the same sweater either. That video must not there. This video must be posted by the hook or the crook. 2 videos I'm actually going to be recording, so let's do that. So as I'm walking, I see a next spot here that I should probably record in. Probably, you know, but my hair wet and the wind blow. What kind of slackness this next thing was sick? I didn't plan to record in that spot today, so I'll just plastic bag there. I'll just do my recording here. Just do what I did plan for doing, and then give myself a hour. Sort that out. Okay, so I had plans on recording a video today, but outside windy. As soon as the sun wind start blow, so that means in the video now I get to record today. As soon as the sun, and then my hair kind of wet anyways from the swimming I did earlier. Okay, I decided to not to allow that to stop me. I just started sitting in the aisle. I just started sitting in my car and record the mini for record and talk to her. No watch no face. Alright. Okay guys, I just recorded 1 video. I was supposed to record 2, but I'm not gonna record 2. Actually I head back at the house and kind of get myself together for the rest of the day, come have something to start up. But that conversation was dope. I was you know, speaking about the village being dead, and I'm going to link it above. Go ahead and watch that. But my day, so I'm gonna go that. I'm just gonna go on and I'm gonna go do what I need to do and head back, cause yeah, I get a call, so I'm gonna head back. Okay, so I did not follow my mind. In fact, I filmed my second video, and I'm glad I continue to film my second video, because this weekend is going to be a busy weekend, so I won't have the time to film all my videos, because I know today I have a live Wednesday. Tomorrow I have the little short vlog where I'm gonna post the video I just recorded today, Friday. The second video Saturday, then Sunday we'll have a next video coming. I record Thursday, probably this now, that vlog I'll read them on Thursday and my Friday thing. So yeah, I'm gonna roll that week. I'm gonna miss no more days, well, for that week. Wait, should I still post Saturday and Sunday, or just do during the week? My business full speed ahead, because the goal here is to build up my consistency. Burnout, I'm not gonna burn out, but I'm gonna build up my consistency. Big up on yourself, anyone today in on life, and I'm about to hit the road. I have them. It just took up a lot of space on my computer, but it gives like a lot of features, and it was free. I don't know what it is right now. I don't know if you gotta pay for it now, but at the time that I was using it, it was. All right guys, so I'm about to do my first live stream on Google, on StreamYard with Sky, my first collab live stream. So I just didn't know. Like, I knew the mother would be the a-hole, the mother-in-law. I just knew that's what was gonna happen. You do have the ones that surprise you from time to time, but and they didn't go into detail, but clearly she's a boy mom, and she's probably, I'm wondering if that's her only son. I'm wondering if, like, there's so much at play here, because, like, is his father in the life, and even if his father is and, and even if his father is in his life, she probably don't even talk to the father as much. That's probably the husband that she wanted, right? That's her person. So she's gonna be, so into everything. I don't like that she tried to design everything herself though. Like, she's supposed to talk to you. Also, what I do know is that a lot of elders, especially moms or boy moms, sometimes when there's a new baby coming on, they're so excited, which is good. It's good that they want to be a part of it, but some of them, I feel like, internally think that this is an opportunity for them to do things over, which isn't fair to the mother, because it kind of pushed the mom out of the way. Like, I feel like the moms should be able to experience this. They should be able to do the decoration. You could put your 5 cents in, but give them the opportunity to parent, because they've all had their opportunity to be parents and have all those experiences and do the decorations. So the mom should have that opportunity to do that now. Like, that's her time. You can help her, but don't overstep. So the mother-in-law is definitely the a-hole. 10:18 and I'm finally finished. Yeah, I did a live collab with Sky today, Girl Talk. Loved it, loved it, loved it. And I feel like it's something that I'm going to keep doing. I would want to do like talks with other like stay-at-home moms though as well. So I kind of add that in there, and I wonder how that will go. But yeah, look at the time. This is where we're at right now. This is where we're at. So if you didn't check it out, definitely check it out. I was streaming with Sky, so let me know. Comment below.